Christelle, I'm French, and I want to share with you my trip to Sevilla, a city in Andalusia in the south of Spain. This video is about day 5, which is Wednesday the 9th of November 2022. So here's the program for this day. First, I want to visit the Real Alcazar de Sevilla, which was a royal castle. Then we will have a short interlude. And then second, I want to cross the river in order to see another park, which is called the Parque de los Principes. I think it was high time that I took the GoPro out because I haven't been using it yet. So today I'm just really excited because I had brought my GoPro for this trip, but I still hadn't used it. And I just really love using it because I think it's really convenient and intuitive for vlogging. And I feel like I don't use it enough and I should use it more often. So I'm just really excited about this today. By the way, my GoPro is the Hero 7, I think, and it's completely smashed because it's just too small and I just make it full all the time, so yeah. Oh, it is. And rainy day. Alright, best camera ever. And it is smashed. This camera is not waterproof. Alright, so now let's go to the Real Alcazar de Sevilla. Alright, so this morning I'm going to visit the Real Alcazar. So yeah, going towards the city center, towards the cathedral, that's just after the cathedral. And it's 9 and 6 minutes. And it opens at 9:30. Best camera ever. Plaza de San Francisco. And I am going straight ahead towards the cathedral. The big street that's near the cathedral, and the Real Alcazar is just behind. Okay, so this near the cathedral and the Archivo de Indias, it's the Plaza del Triunfo, and this is Puerta del León. And as you can see, people are queuing, and I should have come earlier because it opens at 9:30, and that gives you access basically to the Real Alcazar. So yeah, beautiful, and I'm going to go queue there. So yeah, Puerta del León. So actually the queue at the entrance of the Alcazar is really just for entering the Alcazar. You can't buy the ticket there, you have to buy it either online or at a desk that's nearby, and then you come back here and you queue in order to enter. Alright, so apparently I needed to buy the ticket at some other place, so I queued for nothing. And now at the Giralda. So I'm going back to queue again. There is nearly no more queue, so that's good. It's just progressing really fast. So that's Real Alcazar and entrada. Entonces, vamos. I have to say it's much better with the sun, 12:20 already, and I really prefer the gardens compared to the inside. It's really beautiful because there are all those tile and stuff inside, but the problem is that there is like too many people inside, so like also it's really dark inside, so it didn't help that it wasn't sunny, but even like the lights and all, it's really dim. And yeah, all those cute tiles, but really damaged, and yeah, even inside it's just really damaged, and you can't really see them, like they don't look really bright inside the palace because it's so dark. It is 1, and I think the exit is this way. I think I've seen everything I had to see or I wanted to see in there. Oh, the sky is dark again. Okay, so now I'm out for good, and it's 1:20, and I want some food. Oh, mira, that's La Giralda. Door again, but with some sun. So I enjoyed the Alcazar, but the weather wasn't really good, which is not ideal because there are so many colorful decorations that only come to life really when it's sunny, so not ideal. And also it was really packed with tourists like me, which is a bit of a pain because you can't really move around and see everything because it just every room is packed. So I have one empanadilla spinach and un pan de jamón y queso. Jamón y queso. So that's the front entrance to the Universidad de Sevilla. So behind that wall it's the Alcazar, and that wall is going there. And here that's this other garden that I want to visit. Jardines de Murillo. Okay, so right, so that's nice, but basically nothing compared to the Alcazar. So now I'm going out and back to the river. So now I am going to the Parque de los Principes. So I'm taking this bridge and I'm going on the other side there. So today I'm going straight ahead toward Parque de los Principes. Okay, so that's the park. Alright, so that's not really a gigantic park. It's nice, but there is nothing crazy about it, just like a nice little lake that was there and some nice big trees. Rain again. So it's supposed to be like a must-see park of Sevilla, but honestly there is nothing really interesting about it. It's a cute little park, but that's it. So after the park there is something that I wanted to see on the way back to the river. It's called the Feria de Abril, and so the way that I understand it, it's a fair that only happens in April. But when I prepared my trip, I looked on Google Maps and it looked like there was some sort of monument that was interesting to see. But I've looked at it again and it's possible that it's maybe only built for the fair and then it's gone. So I think that this big space there and here is for the Feria de Abril, but right now there's just nothing on it. So here there should be like a portada de la Feria de Abril, like a door, like an arc thing, apparently according to Google Maps, but there isn't. But considering the state in which that thing, the place for the Feria de Abril is, it's not too surprising. I'm going to see in the rest of the streets. Right, so that should really be in that street, and there is nothing. But I mean, not sure what's happening. Is it closed until April? Because it really looked like... So now it's time to walk back to the river and back to the hotel. Alright, so I'm here again. That's the bridge on Torre del Oro. So I'm going to cross back and go through the city center to the hotel to rest a little bit before going out again tonight. Torre del Oro. So it was another very tiring day where I walked a lot and my legs are hurting, so I'm just going to have dinner in my hotel room. So that's the end of day 5. So thank you again for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. So if you want to support me, which I really appreciate, you can just feel free to like, share and subscribe so that you can also see the new videos. So I will see you soon for more adventures in day 6 of my trip to Sevilla. Bye.